Hey guys, hi everyone. Okay, let's get started. Today we have, as we discussed that yesterday, we will be looking into the Docker environment with the help of multiple environments. Multiple environment means what? It's not like something, like different ways we have to deploy. Okay, it's something that you are able to deploy the same set of application with a different environments. Okay, maybe like maybe stays, maybe like others. Okay, these two or three type of environment you can able to do it now. Okay, for that why it is important. Okay, why it is important. Okay, the reason for that is what happens is at the time of real time. Okay, when you're working organization, sometime you might get a chance to deploy the codes. Your developer will tell you, or your lead will tell you, hey, Navin, can you please go and deploy the code in staging? Or they'll tell you, can you deploy the code in your dev? So you get irritated. Okay, same thing he is telling me 100 times to do. Okay, so in that case, what you do, it's always good to go ahead and try to make some changes to your code. Okay, is device is not clear? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Just give me a minute of time. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, is it better now? Are we able to hear me clearly now? Is it better? Well, is it better? Same. Its volume is full here. Volume is 100%. Guys, is it clear? Shall we start or do you want me to check with IT team? Let me know starting itself, buddy. Maybe it's the same. No change in audio. Okay, then you have to hold on, okay? Give me a minute of time. 1 minute of time, please. कौन जी एक बार आएंगे क्या? No. Okay, just a minute, no? Like we are just says right. It was not recorded. Fine, I'll repeat once again. Okay, no worries. Guys, what I did, have a look, please. What I did, I first went to what is my aim? My aim is to deploy the code in the multiple environment. Let's see, I'm going with the Facebook. So Facebook can have a multiple environment, dev, stage, prod. Okay. So I'll not go with the 3. You can go with the 3 as well. I'll go with the only 2, dev and stage. So what we'll do, we'll create a separate repo for separate branch for dev environment. Sorry. Okay, you are not able to see that clear, right? 1 minute here. It's better now. No, what issue you have? Tell me now. Screen that it's scattered, right? Oh, okay. I don't have control on that. If you're not, can you come up here? I just requested. Tomorrow they'll change the cable. Come. If you're not able to. You guys able to see, bro? Not? Come down. Come forward, please. Able to see? You have specs, right? That's why. You? Able to see?
Without spec. Good. Please come. Okay, no, for you all? Right? Okay, fine. Can I start then? Right. So see, we have a Facebook over there. Okay. So multiple environments there. So I'll go with the Azure Repo. I'll create separate branch for dev, separate branch for stage. So I'll keep my code for dev here. I'll keep my code for the dev stage here. Right here. So dev, what I did, I went to here. I created a dev branch. I created one. Really, it's a bit, Okay. So if you're not able to see clearly, let me know. I'll repeat once again. Okay. I'll go slow. Huh? Clear, right? Fine. So see, understand what our aim is. What is our aim is, I'll try to go with this. Okay. So what is my aim is, I wanted to deploy to multiple environment. It's important. Please understand. Multiple environment. So multiple means first I'll go with the dev branch. I'll go with the stage branch. Same set of code. I'll not make any changes. Yes, making changes just to know whether I deploy to the right or not. Okay. So I'll go with the dev branch one, stage branch one. Okay. So same thing I did it here. I went to that dev branch. This is my stage branch, right? I made some changes in my file. Whenever this application will run, it should show the message I am from the stage branch. Right here. Got the point? Clear, madam, for you? Right? Okay, good. So now I'll go with the dev branch. Okay. I'll go to the dev branch here. Scroll down. Go to the dev branch. This is, I'll make the changes here. And I'll just upload it for I am for dev. Oh, I am from dev branch. Okay. I'll go with the commit now. I'll click on the commit here. Okay, good. So I have a file with me. I have a file with me. Then what next I need? What next I need here? I have a repo pipeline. Very good. But pipeline, do you forget that we need a container registry? We need a container registry, right? Okay. So I'll go and create a container registry now. So I'll go back to here. I'll go to your home page. I'll click on the container registries. Okay. I'll go back to here. You can able to do with the container registry, but I want to follow with the repository. How will get it? See, if you go without container registry, you're not able to store your build image and push image. Where will you store it? You can do it. App services. Sorry. We can able to do it. Okay. So let's complete it. All right. And we'll go to the app services. That time you'll tell me. In the app service, we have option as a quick start and all. There you are saying that. Yes. Let me complete it. I'll come back. You tell me that. Okay. So I'll go with the create here. Let me create one container registries. What I'll make the name as a Naveen training. Let's go with the multiple environment. Okay. Multiple environment dev or one something. Okay. Let's go to the networking quickly, tags, review, create, and create it. Create it. What is that? Error submitting the deployment. Additional detail for underlying might be helpful. Unable to edit or replacement on that. Fail to submit. Please see the error message on this. Fine. We'll see. We'll get failed. Then we'll deploy it once again. No. So we have got this. Now let me come to the steps. Okay. So please follow the steps. What we are doing it for multiple environments. First thing is Docker file is there with you, right? Okay. Repo is there with you. Repo is there with you. Container registry I created. Service connection already we have yesterday, right? Repository, we have to go and check it out. Let me go to the repository now. So now it's a blank. Nothing is there in that. Okay, good. So now what is that? Access we didn't give it, right? So let me give the access of permission to this. Access keys. We'll enable this. Okay, we have enabled that. What next? We have to go to the build pipeline. Here is something that we have to understand here. See, so same thing like how we are doing the Docker container, enter the Docker detail, build image, push image, Azure pipeline specification. This still here it's same. Okay, and it's here till here it's same. Nothing, no more differences. Let's consider that I am making for the dev environment. Okay, so you just deploy that build deployment. You do it out. Okay, so let's go here. Go back to your what is the next part here? Pipeline, right? Build pipeline. No, I'll go here to my pipeline. I'll make the use of pipeline here. Okay, and this is for my dev branch. Okay, so I'll go first. I'll go with the dev branch. Later, I'll create one more pipeline, stage branch, and combine it. Same job, same pipeline. It will ask me the option whether you want to go for the dev, stage, production, QA, what you want to go. This is for the container. Okay. For that normal app services, a different way. I'll tell you that also. When you have a Terraform and all, right? In that time, we'll tell you this is for container. You might ask, no, this is for the container, Naveen. Okay. What about with code? Code, I cannot deploy the multiple. You can deploy the multiple. Okay. Right. So let me go back to here. New pipeline, right? I'll go with the new pipeline. Let me go to the classic editor. Okay. Repo, where is my file here? Docker repo. My file would be in which branch? Where is the dev, bro? Here, right? Dev branch. I'll go with the continue. Docker container. Okay. Build an image. What is the image here? Subscription. Okay. So subscription we gave yesterday, right? New SC, right? New service connection. Okay. Container registry is refresh it first. So multiple environment one. That means day one. Okay. What happened? Where it went off? Multiple environment one. Yeah, bro. Where? Oh, okay. You're saying this container registry we are selecting for the container instance. Do you remember that? Yesterday we discussed, no? Two type, right? One is container instance, one is the app services. You go for the app services, we'll go for the ACR. Container instance, when you are trying to create a container instance, we'll go with the container registries. Clear? Are you taking so? It came, no? Some multiple environment ones. Fine. So it'll complete. Let's say it is completed. Okay. So what will get output? One image will be generated. It will be pushed to your repository. Okay. Fine. One environment. Next environment, no need to create a separate build pipeline. I'll make use of this only. Okay. I'll show you. Sorry. Clone actually. We have one option as a clone. Where will you use it? Clone means first two it will come. Third it has to decide whether I have to, where I have to go. Okay. What happened? I'll refresh it once. So build pipeline Docker, enter the Docker details. Okay, and build an image, push the image, save and queue. This will go. We'll go and see whether the image is generated or not. We'll go to the app services. We'll see the application is deployed or not. That's it. Till here, this is okay. Next part, we'll see that next is. Okay, build an image, go to the image subscription. Why is taking so much of time? Service connection. Now, multiple environments. Come here. We'll go and change our file. File is not here. Docker repo, it's not over here. Again, I need to go back with the duplicate. Go to repo, right? Where will go and check it out? Repo only, no? My file is there, right? Good. So it's Docker repo only. Very good. Docker repo dev one. Its file is there, right? It's there, no? Refresh it. Okay. Branch, I didn't change it. No, I gave it that time. Okay, let me go with this again. What branch I gave? A dev only I gave, right? Yes, I gave the dev only. No problem. We need to go back here. Okay. Main branch it was. Dev branch, right? So this is sign a Docker repo dev branch. Continue. Docker container right here. Docker container here. Okay, I'll come back to this first. Subscription is, my subscription is new service connection. My job is multiple environment. Multiple environment, come down here. Okay, Docker file I need to choose. My Docker file is here with me. Come here. So here, and I don't want to make any changes here. Okay, you understand? I don't want to make any changes here in this. Okay, till here, it's two part. I divide into two part, buddy. Okay, one part in this one normal way, another part is a different way. Okay, we'll see. Till here, it's okay. Come down with us. Come down with us. Come down with us. I'll go to the push. Push an image, same thing. Okay, go with the subscription. Go to the Naveen service connection. Sorry, new service connection. Container registry as a multiple environment. Okay, come down here. This I'll not touch it. Okay, I'll make it as the same here. Right, it's look to be good. Go to the pipeline issue with here. So I'll just try to delete with here. Come update with Ubuntu latest. That's it. No, this is same. This is right. No issues in it all here. So I'll go with the save and queue. So this time my image, it will come into the format of dev branch. Dev branch, no, it'll come as something, it will come simply as a Docker repo. That's it. Docker repo, it will come. Okay. This we already know this. Okay. We are not doing anything extra here. We are not doing anything extra here. Observe. So let it get completed. Image, yes, every case it would be same here. No, it's not every case. We'll change the case now here, Jitender. Okay, this is the same case what we have discussed before. We'll make it in the second stage. Okay. So now we'll go to the app services. We'll deploy it. We'll see whether my file is coming. This is the dev branch or not. Till there, we'll reach it out. Next is we'll make some changes. There we have to decide whether I wanted to go to the dev or QA. I'll show you. Let it get completed first. It's not very clear, it seems, right? See, meanwhile, it is coming. No, this is the first step that we know already. Okay. This we know already. Come down here, right? Come down here. Next step, what we are doing it. Meanwhile, it is deployed. Yeah, deployed. Fine. Deployed it. No, it will create application. Next time, what we are doing it, we'll create a pipe. We'll go ahead and we'll create a new branch. New branch, we did it right. Stage branch. We'll edit the pipeline. We'll add something different here this time. Can you see? Now I'll ask you the question. Yesterday we asked it, right? Column 1. What is the meaning of this? Can someone please explain me what is the meaning of this? Javir, we asked yesterday. What is the meaning of this? How my image will come? You tell me. How my image will come, guys? Online guys, please let me know how my image will come. First, right? Okay. What is the first one is? Image 1. Then hyphen. Okay. Then Docker repo right here. Image 1 Docker repo. Then what is that? Column. Not bracket, column. Okay. So it'll go inside it. Column inside only, no? Okay. Right. Then build.source branch name. Now what is my source branch name, dear? My source name branch is dev branch. Very good. We'll go with the dev branch. Now dev branch. Inside the dev branch, we'll go with the build ID 51, 52, 60, whatever the build number will come. So this 3 will make changes. Second stage, not now. Okay. So it's already deployed. Okay. So we'll go and apply to that app services real quick. Okay. Come to my app services. Go back to here. I'll create an app service real quick first. Okay. Let me go and create for the container. Naveen training. Come back here. This is dev, right? Dev branch app. Okay. Container registries. Come down here. And let's, you tell me now, no? You're saying something, right? Yes, tell me. You're saying that tags, this one. Docker compose. Okay. Right. Image is directly here. Where is, buddy? Configuration file. No problem. Become okay. So okay, I'm going here then. What next? Okay, you tell me. What this is fine, right? Single container fine. Tags is there. So you have to choose this, right? What are you gonna choose? No, code is where is my code? We'll choose it. Okay, you are saying that without creating the container, guys. Hold on. Okay, we have one doubts with one of my team member. So let me clear that first. Okay, so this is for the reason Docker file. You are giving the container file, right? So you have to give your image name there. So where is your code now? If you're not creating the Docker container, where is your code now? Your code is in your repo only. So you have to give it to image now. Okay. So if you're giving the image now, I'm like, if you go to the build pipeline, you're creating the build pipeline, no? So build pipeline, you have to choose it, right? There only you are choosing it. That I wanted to go for multiple environment. So where there it will go and store the code. This is for the Docker one. But if you go to the normal one, code one, no need to go and container instance, container registry, we no need to create. Because it is go for the release, right? We are releasing it. But these guys, we are not releasing it. Clear or not? Satisfied, right? Okay, good. So I'll go back to here. Where is Mary? This one is right, no? Multiple environment only. Docker repo only. This is my tag name, okay? I'll use a tag name. I'll go with the networking, monitor, review and create it, okay? Let it come here. Online guys, if you have doubt, you can ping me, buddy, okay? Image name will not be same every time. It depend on me. I can change it. How I can change? Format would be same. Your name followed by your source branch name, sorry, your repository name and then build ID. But we can change your name that also. Jitendra, it's clear, right? Come here. Let it get deployed. Okay, it's deployed. Go back here. Since I gave the code as I am from the dev, it should be coming up the same. Okay, that's fine. This we know already. Nothing changes. We have done it here. Okay, good. So now let me go back to the dev branch here. We have to make some changes in your dev branch here. Okay. What is the changes you have to do it out? Let's see first. So after deployment, you have a application setting actually. You have to make it. This is not mandatory, but you can do it. Why it is the changes? I'll tell you. Where is application setting? Can you see the application setting somewhere in left hand side? Where is that here? Application setting. Are you able to see any setting changes here? No? You're not seeing that any changes? Why it's slow today, Azure? It's slow, no? Ha. It will be inside the configuration. The setting and all will change into the configuration field, right? So go there. We have application setting. It says that you wanted to add one more setting. Click on the new setting. And what it says that, observe it. Listen, I'm like, try to understand why we are doing it, okay? Website container start time limit more than 1500. What is the meaning? Think it, okay? Think, just understand. What is the message I want you to give it? It's not mandatory. I'm again telling it, okay? It's not mandatory, but do the changes. What is that? Website container start time limit. What is that? Whenever you are deploying the code to the container, right? Okay, it should be waiting that 1500 seconds, millisecond actually, not seconds. It's a millisecond. It has to wait until that. It will not be throwing the error. What happens? No, sometime if you have poor network, right? Flipkart or anything. If you have a poor network, or in case the website is overloaded, sometimes the website would be overloaded, right? You might get the error as a network error, or the website will not load it. 500 error, server error. For that case, it says that don't throw the error. Don't throw the error, okay? Wait for 1500 of second. Start time, okay? From start time, please wait for 1500. If I'm not loading, then throw the error. That is the meaning, okay? That is optional. It's not mandatory one, okay? So that's fine. Next is saying that go to the general setting, make some changes, always on, off, you need to take it to on. Where's the general setting here? I'll not do the changes, okay? Oh, went off. Where is the setting? Configuration, right? What happened? Where it went? Configurations. Here, right? Come here. It's very slow. Okay. So go to general setting. Okay. So always on off would be there somewhere. Okay. It's always off. You have to make it to on. Okay. What you have to do it and why we are doing it, that also I'll tell you. Okay. Reason for that. Okay. Please. It says that actually when you are planning to go with a simple basics plan, right, it will be off only. If you go to upgraded plan, the option will be on. So basically same application, I want you to deploy multiple times, multiple environments. Okay, that case it will be going with the some advanced upgraded version. Okay, that's the reason. So what will go, you cannot make it to on. Can you see here? And what it says that this symbol, and what is the symbol source here? Click here to upgrade first. Okay, so you upgrade first. Speed is super today. The reason for that is I'm using free. Okay, so you upgrade it. What should I use? I'll go with the basics. If not, then I'll go with the premium one. Okay, I'll go with the basics one first. For without multiple environment, no need to do that. Please go with the free only. It's updating. I'm able to do. Why? It is forcing me to go and upgrade, go with the premium. Then only I allow you to multiple. Okay. So go with the premium one. Everything is money for Azure, right? All the services. Let's go with the premium. Okay. Let's go with the premium. See, premium I clicked, it allowed me. Okay. So let's go and close this. Close this. Close this. Allow me. Okay. Save it. Continue it. Okay. So you got the point. So we are trying to allow all this like always on. Whenever the idle due to inactivity also, it will be idle only. Okay. Come back here. So till here it's okay. No need to go with this. There's a small thing that you have to do it, buddy. Okay. You have to add one job. Okay. That job is Azure Web App Container. Okay. That we haven't done it. Let's do that. Okay. In the further steps also. You'll go to here where in the pipeline. Where is the pipeline, buddy? Here. Come back to your job here. Try to edit that. Let me go back to the job here. I'll try to edit my pipeline. Okay. So 3. What is that job we telling me to do, buddy? What is the job is telling me to do? App. What is that? Azure Web App for Container. Okay. Okay. Azure Web App for Container. Right? I'll tell you why it is asking me. It's not mandatory, but why? See, I'm using one environment. I'm using this. I'm not using. For multiple, I'm using. I'll tell you why I'm using it. Okay. Hold on. Let me come here. I'll come by this. I come here. Right? Now, here is a decision maker actually. Okay. Here is a decision maker. So what happens is, instead of going ahead with the app services that already you have created it, okay, instead of that you can directly push the image, you can directly push any app services with the help of this only. Okay, so you have that option here. Click on this, choose the subscription. What is the subscription? This subscription. What is the app name? You have it, Dev Branch app, since already deployed. Okay, but if you are not deployed, you can go with this here also. Click on this app name here, come down. Don't make any changes, just save it. Okay, save it. You just make the changes here, save it. Now how it will run, I'll tell you now. Understand? The dev branch, what this third file, this is for what? What deployment? Dev branch. Multiple means dev. I'm going with the dev now. Okay, I'm going with the dev now. So understand. I want one more to deploy. I want one more environment. So what we'll do? Okay, I'll go step by step. Don't worry. Let's see. So what I will do now, I'll try to make some changes to my code here. Okay. This time I will make some the image name like this. I wanted to see like this image name. Okay. So let's go with this. I'll go back to your build an image. Come here. Okay. Where is my here, right? So I'll go with this. No. Tell me guys, shall I go with this or not? No need to disturb those. Okay. That is build and push. Let it go in the normal ways. We have that application here. So can you see this image name here? Okay. So see, no, follow the steps. Okay. Create a new branch, edit the pipeline for build and push image as a slow. Okay. So you wanted to go with the build and push an image the same name. Okay. Let me go with the build and push image. So earlier, exactly I'm coming with the tag. Now when I deploy it, it will not ask me to go with this. Hold on. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, folks. Hold on, please. It's better now or it's same? Is it better, dear? Okay, yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for confirmation. Okay. Right. So what to do? We'll go back to our pipeline once again. Okay. Where is my pipeline? Here is my pipeline. I'll make the changes with my image name. Okay. Let's make some changes to the image name. I'll go with this. So what it is? The suffix would be my image. Then after that repository name, then the branch name, then it'll go to the build name. Okay, no? Very good. Shall I use the same thing in your there here also? Push an image also same thing? Right, no? Very good. Now tell me, dear. I'm over here in this page, okay? No need to go with others. These all would be the same option. Very good. So what next is tell me to do? It says that run the pipeline once more to get a new image to the container registries. Okay. So I'll go ahead and do it one more time and run it out. Shall I save and run it? Save and queue it. I made some changes, no? So you need to save also, dear. Let's save and run it out. Sorry, dear. Please save me. Right. If you do not change that image name, nothing, same application will be deployed because we didn't make any change at all. Okay. Only thing your question is third point we are adding, right? Third point, why we are adding? Because, okay, might be not be able to understand third point now. The reason for that is third point we are making it, right? So if you go with the build image and push image, 2 is for what? For pushing the image to the repository. Third is I want make to this is a decision maker. Now I haven't given any decision to them. Say that build an image, push the image, deploy the code. That's it. So this is, it will go for the dev, but hold 5 minutes of time. Okay. You'll come to know the another one. Another one, what I'll do, another one, I'll make it for staging also. Okay. Another one is got failed. We'll see that what is the fail reason. Okay. So we'll go with the staging also. So now at the time of running, no, it should ask me whether you wanted to go with the first one, you wanted to go with the second one. Based on the condition, it will go. Okay. So hold on, we'll come to know that. Okay. So it got failed. Let's see where it is getting failed. What part it is getting failed? Azure web container. What is that here? What is that error message? Can you please read that message? Deployment of web app tape branch app failed. What reason? What order is it? Okay, let me complete it. Anyway, I'm dropping today by 10:10 only. Okay. I need to go to office today. Okay. So we'll drop by 10 at all. I'll just read it out, paste it out. I will resolve it tomorrow. Don't worry. We already have requested to change this one. Okay. This is issue with the cable actually. It's not an issue with the system. It's not an issue with the board. It's a cable. It's allowing that transmission. So let me type it. I'll copy it here. Okay. Wait. Okay. Come here. I understand you're not able to see, right? Okay. Not this. It's not being copied also. Don't stress too much. Okay. It'll pain. Okay. Hold on. It should be good now, I guess, for you. Okay. Okay, no, better, right? Okay. So let's understand the reason. Okay, what it says that? It says that dev.azure.com in the training build results, the build ID, whatever you use, right? The logs, whatever using it. This logs, okay. It's an issue with this log. But the build ID, whatever you use, it was wrong in that. Okay, one more error. Come here. Now it says that the service connection is coming up, but thing is deployment of the web app failed. Okay, because I have used a single container with a valid name. For multiple container, you have to specify that it's a Docker compose is mandatory. Okay, image name is optional for them. So understand what is the error it happened. Go back here. So by reading that, you are able to find out any reason. Able to see what might went wrong. Which one? Copy paste the image went wrong. Okay, no problem. See, it's if you get error, then only learn why it is error, why the error is coming up. Okay, no problem. Let me come here. So it's so error here clearly. It is also here. Deployment of web. Understand, please. You want me to copy this and paste the Google back classroom? You just think it, okay? Understand. It's very small. Okay, but see, I'll read it, okay? For you guys, please. Deployment to the web app. Okay, web app means third way, right? Third job, right? We're using third job, so it is getting there. Day branch app failed. What is the day branch app? What is the day branch app, dear? Is it a container name or it's a like a application app service name? Yes. Why? It is a difference. Tell me. I have answer for me. I already have answer with me, but you guys have to tell me. Okay, I'll read it, okay? You give me the error. Able to hear me, no? No? Okay, see that. For the single container, read that message. Answer is here only, dear. If you'll read it, you'll get to know that what is the error. This is something called as a, what is that issue? Someone saying no? Log, what is that? Log reading actually important for us, understand, okay? Just specify the valid image name. For multiple container, specifying a Docker compose is mandatory. And specifying image name is optional. Provided image. Okay, I'll tell you. Tell me why it is an error. It says as clear. It has given the clue also. It has given the clue. Dev branch app. Tell me what is the error. Tell me, buddy. Don't only read the message. Use this also. Okay, both. Tell me, no. Use it. Nothing bad. See, if you do mistake, then we'll learn it, right? Yeah. What's bad in that? Okay. I appreciate if you're saying that. Tell me, please. Tell me, buddy. Tell me. Docker. Let me complete his. 1 minute. Please. Hmm. Mention the image name. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Your name, please. One image for one container. Good. Very good. Shall I give the answer? We did a mistake. What mistake did we did? The app that I'm giving it, buddy. Dev branch app. App services. There I have chosen the image from Docker repo. I did not choose the image. What I use it? I use it this only. I use this only. Docker repo and we are using the build ID. But this guy has given the build. What is happening? No, dear. See, the build image, 3 jobs are there, right? 3 jobs are there, no? First is what? Build image. What is a build image? I gave the name as a image hyphen Docker branch name, sorry, repository name, then branch name, then build ID, right? I gave this, very good. Push also, same, very good. Third one is application. Application, but I already changed it before only, right? I chosen the different, no. It has to become automatically, right? That's the issue. Not okay. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay, hold on. Let me see that. I have deployed the application. When I create app services, when you are telling that app services, what I used, single container I used. Okay, guys, online guys, what is that? It's saying the single, it should be multiple. You are right here. Everyone is right. Okay, that only. I use a single container. In the single container, I've used what? I've used a Docker repo. Do you remember that? In the Docker repo, I've given 45, 50, whatever it is there. Right? Very good. But now what is coming, my friends? Now when I'm build pipeline, when I'm doing the build pipeline, okay, what is coming up? It's coming up with this image name. Image 1. Docker repo. Then tape branch. Forgot it, buddy. No, you should not forget. This one, right? So it's both are different or not? While creating the app services, I gave something different. This is different. It is saying that at that time, I don't have multiple. That is not in my mind. No, that I'll create a multiple branch. Okay. That's the reason it is single. It's a multiple here. So that is a mistake. Clear enough? Yes. We have to use. That is a solution for that. Clear, no? At the time of applying itself, app services, that time I have to use it. Got the point? Okay. Right? No? All are satisfied, right? Clear? Online guys, you guys are okay? You got the reasons? Yes. This is at the time of app only. Okay. We need to use the app only. So guys, we'll drop it here. I have some office work today. Okay. I need to go a bit early. So I'll drop it by now itself. If you understand, I'll carry forward tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll complete it out and we'll go with architecture and basics. Tomorrow we'll close the Docker topic. So, but you understood this or not? Still here. Okay. It should be clear, right? Very good. So we'll stop it here. Is this with the naming convention? You are right. What is the naming convention? Yes, it's a naming convention issue only because I was using different there. I'm using different here. If you leave. Okay, if you use it here at the same, I'll not be getting the issues. Right? And now you tell me why I'm making difference. Tell me, think it, nothing bad in that. Tell me, can I not go with that same doc, same image name? Can I go with that or not? Or why need to make a changes? Multiple environment. Okay. Ha, fine. Multiple. But why? Same? Hmm? Okay. No, the reason is different here. The reason is I told no, 3 jobs would be there. I told nobody 3 jobs would be there. Okay. I told you that 3 jobs would be there, right? Build an image, push an image, app service deploy. App service will create 2 app service. Same thing 2 times. This is for the dev. This is for stage. Okay. This is for the dev. This is for the stage, right? 2 will create it. Very good. So it will run mandatory. But when I'll give it, go with the dev, it'll run the dev. When I'll say them go with the stage, it'll bypass this. It'll not fail it. It'll bypass this, it'll run this. Okay, you'll come to know the tomorrow class. Okay. Online guys, you didn't understand it. Okay. What is happening here? 3 jobs are mandatory here. Okay, 3 jobs are mandatory here. Build image, push image, then app, service, deploy for container here. Guys, please, 2 minutes. If you'll understand this, no, tomorrow will not be headache for you to understand. It's a very important. Real time, you have to work on this only. Please understand that, okay? Now, we'll clone this job once again, okay? We'll clone this job. We'll clone this job. And when we are running, no, we'll keep a setting. We'll make some setting. If I'm telling that, go with the dev, this is stage, right? At the time of running, When I'll tell them go with a dev, this two will run automatically. Every time it will run it. Every time run it, what will get changes? Build ID will get changed. Image name will get changed. You're right. Image name will get changed, right? And same image will get used in your application. If I go with the dev, it'll run the dev. This will get bypassed. Not fail, skip. Okay. One more, then you can give it not. You just take care of that in one more application. You practice. Okay. For container, what do? You go with one more prod. Okay. This will be same. So let's say you wanted to run any application in a dev environment. This will run it here. It will skip. I'll tell you tomorrow, no, like how it will skip. Skip. Let's say you wanted to run into the production stage, production. So it will get a skip here. This two will skip. This will run. Clear enough? Your choice. Okay. Basically, in real time, people will go with a dev, stage, production, UAT, 4 environment. But depend, no, like some organization will not go for that QAT. They'll directly go for dev, stage, and production. Some environment will give the QA also. Dev, QA, stage, then production. It depends. You can create multiple. How many time you'll create? How many services you have to give here? That's it. Let's close this tomorrow. Okay, application will not be application. I'll stop it only. Others will make the use of so. Clear? Any doubt so far? Put you. Any doubt? No? Guys, anyone? Any doubt? No, right? No doubts, no? Okay, fine. We'll see tomorrow, guys. Okay, tomorrow we'll complete this and then we'll go into the architecture, basics, terminology we understand. Then we'll close the Docker. We have to go with the next topic. That is something. What is the topic next? We have to go with the AKS. It's a very super topic. Okay, fine, dear. Thank you. I'm drop off now. One question is there, guys. Please understand. Can we use a single container with the same image name and add more jobs like this? One dev. See, you can create a single container here. It's not a problem. But issue with that, every time we'll make the changes, right? That will get changed. The container will get changed, right? The branch is different from the dev and QA. Then how to build and push the same? Okay, very good question. What is the answer for this? Please answer the question, dear. Okay, the question is, I'll copy his question. I really appreciate the question, Ramesh. Okay, the question is this one. Tell me the question. Answer for this. Tell me, dear, please. You'll give answer or shall I give it? What should I use? Tell me, madam. Read this question. Nothing is there. Very simple. You have to tell me. Javed. This is a type of interview they'll ask it. No? Understand. What is the question is? The branch is different for the dev and the QA. Then how the build and push are the same? I'll tell the answer. Okay, don't worry. Build image, what you are getting it? You are getting the image name. At the time of running, I'll say no, run with the dev. So what happened? In that image hyphen Docker repo under inside dev branch. Right? Very good. Let's come to another one. Image hyphen Docker repo stage branch. Right? What will use? I'll use it. That's why that both are same. No need to change it, but we are dependent on this only. Third one. Okay, no? We are dependent on the third one. We are dependent on the third one, dear. Understand or not? I'll tell you. I know you are confused, okay? No need to get confused. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Tell me, dear. Image name. What is the build name now here? Image one hyphen Docker repo hyphen, not hyphen inside. Okay? Dev branch. Then ID. Let's see the 10. Come here. Image 1 hyphen docker repo. Okay. Colon stage branch colon 11. Okay. Very good. You understand these 2 points? Now, when I'm trying to deploy to the website, what's the problem with the website? Website doesn't know anything here. They'll tell that go with the dev branch. It'll come to the dev branch. No. Hold on, dear. It's a different no. It's a dev also. Again, same no. Dev only, right? So what happened? Whenever it is telling you to dev, it'll copy the dev. When it will come to the stage, it'll copy the dev. Stage. Production. Okay. Don't take it too much seriously, okay? You'll come to know tomorrow class, you'll come to know. But you understand or not basics, okay? Ramesh, we'll see that, okay? Don't worry. Can you show that how to get the run application local database using that some next class? I'll show you that tomorrow class, buddy, with the multiple environments, okay? Understand these 3 questions is clear, no? Our aim is to deploy multiple. You are right. Chandrasekhar, hold on. Not same time. One by one. Same time, we cannot deploy it. Okay, same time, we cannot deploy it here. Why? Because one environment, there is no use of deploying same time. We should get a response from them, then we'll come with another one. Clear? Okay, we'll ask these questions again tomorrow class also. Okay, fine. Right. We'll drop off here. Let's see tomorrow class. Tomorrow will be the final class for the Docker. We'll start with the communities then. Take care, guys.